this was better than what we were expecting.
My first time here, and I like it.
Just the atmosphere, I think, is a really big part of what makes it special.
We all got here and we're like, we're going down to the beach, we're gonna go walk around.
Great live music to listen to and a wonderful bar to sit and hang out at.
We're here to celebrate our anniversary.
I've been coming to the Dells for 28 years, and so where else do I spend my 30th birthday besides Ishnala? It's my first time being here.
And I want to bring my kids here. So
Ishnala is a special experience, something that you can't really get anywhere else.
I've been coming to Ishnala for years, so I know this experience, and you make us feel like family when we come.
We have the best people serving in every single position. Everybody knows what we're here to do. We're all here to give the best service.
I laugh that they remember us from year to year.
Every waitress that waited tables here last year came back this year, and that's the biggest compliment we could get.
I love these girls. We work together almost every single day of the week, and they're like my sisters, I could say. I love working with them. They're really awesome.
It's so important to us that you're going to get the best service you'll ever get anywhere, and we focus on that.
The kitchen is second to none. Those guys are magicians back there.
I like my job. You know, if you don't like your job, you're probably in the wrong business. So we follow the Hoffman House tradition of years and years of aging the beef ourselves. It's the same every day, the consistency. The more age it has on it, more tender.
Look at these gorgeous entrees. And Bob, you had said that the combos are some of the best sellers?
Without question. What we have in front of you is our filet and prawns, jumbo prawns, and then our prime rib and fried shrimp, and the wow factor 24-ounce ribeye twin lobster tails. Lobster tails are from Nova Scotia, which is cold water lobster tails, which are the sweetest and more firm than any other lobster you will get. Our Midwest corn-fed beef is fresh, never frozen. The highest quality beef we can, we age it properly, and then we season it with the seasoning they've been using since 1946, the Hoffman House recipe.
The prime rib is amazing. That's always a go-to for me. But this bordelaise sauce.
Bordelaise sauce.
I could drink this. It is that good.
It's made from the juices of the prime rib and Burgundy wine. And it's something we've used, again, since 1946.
You're not fighting over just one single table that has this amazing view. It's the entire dining room that has their own vantage point of gorgeous
There's not one bad place to sit at Ishnala.
How does this gorgeous view enhance the experience?
It's unbelievable. You can enjoy yourself immensely and just relax.
It's not about the number of people we serve, it's about the number of people we please. We're not trying to rush as many people as we can through. We're trying to make everybody's experience as perfect as we can.
You finally ate dinner. What did you get and how was it?
I had the filet, and it was delicious. It melted in your mouth.
I feel like you have to wait at every supper club and enjoy an old fashioned or two before you get to dinner, and this stands out above the top.
I had the chicken cordon bleu. And it was awesome. It was so good, and the waitresses were wonderful. There was a smile no matter where you went. It was just graceful service, and the food was great.
Everything was good. I'm planning on coming back.
Well, I can promise you one thing. Ishnala is definitely worth the drive. And stay with us, because when we come back, we head to another iconic supper club, the Del Bar.